Centipede. A centipede is a type of arthropod with elongated segmented bodies and numerous legs. There are about 8,000 known species of centipedes worldwide, and they are found in almost every habitat on Earth. Most centipedes are nocturnal and feed on small insects, spiders, and other arthropods. Centipedes have long, segmented bodies, with each segment containing a pair of legs. The number of legs varies among different species, but they typically have between 30 and 354 legs. The first pair of legs is modified into a pair of fangs that are used to inject venom into their prey. Centipedes are generally not dangerous to humans, but some larger species can deliver painful bites that may require medical attention. Centipedes are important predators in many ecosystems, and they play a crucial role in controlling insect populations. Some species of centipedes are also kept as pets, particularly in Asia, where they are considered to be symbols of good luck and prosperity. The lifespan of centipedes varies depending on the species, but most live for about 5 years. Some species of centipedes can live up to 10 years in the wild. The lifespan of a centipede is affected by several factors, including their environment, availability of food, and predation. In captivity, centipedes can live longer than in the wild, with some species living up to 20 years or more if properly cared for. It's important to note that the lifespan of a centipede can also be affected by disease, injury, and other factors. Centipedes are generally solitary and nocturnal creatures that spend most of their time hunting for prey. They are fast-moving and can crawl through small spaces and climb on walls and ceilings due to their ability to grip with their many legs. When threatened, centipedes may curl up into a defensive ball or move quickly to escape. Centipedes are carnivorous and primarily feed on insects, spiders, and other small arthropods. They have a pair of modified legs called forcipules located near their head that are used to capture and inject venom into their prey. The venom is not typically dangerous to humans, but it can cause pain, swelling, and other symptoms. Some species of centipedes exhibit parental care, with the female guarding her eggs and young until they are mature enough to fend for themselves. Centipedes are also known to engage in aggressive behavior towards members of their own species and may fight for territory or mates. This content may violate our content policy. If you believe this to be in error, please submit your feedback. Your input will aid our research in this area. Centipedes have a unique mating behavior that often involves complex courtship rituals. Male centipedes will typically approach a female and tap her with his antennae to signal his interest. If the female is receptive, she will then signal her readiness to mate by releasing pheromones. Once the male has received the pheromone signal, he will then attempt to grasp the female with his modified legs, called gonopods. The male then transfers a sperm packet, called a spermatophore, to the female's genital opening. In some species, the male will guard the female after mating to prevent other males from mating with her. After mating, the female will typically lay her eggs in a protected location, such as under rocks or in soil. In some species, the female will guard her eggs until they hatch, and may continue to care for the young for a short time after they emerge from their eggs. It's worth noting that the mating behavior of centipedes can vary widely, depending on the species, and researchers are still studying many aspects of centipede reproduction and behavior. Here are some interesting facts about centipedes. Number 1. Centipedes have been around for over 400 million years, making them one of the oldest groups of terrestrial animals. Number 2. There are around 8,000 known species of centipedes, with the largest species growing up to 30 centimeters in length. Number 3. Centipedes have a segmented body with each segment having a pair of legs. The number of legs varies depending on the species, with some having as few as 30 legs while others can have over 350 legs. Number 4. Centipedes are carnivorous and primarily feed on insects, spiders, and other small arthropods. They use their modified legs, called forcipules, to capture and inject venom into their prey. Number 5. Centipedes have poor eyesight, but they have a keen sense of touch and can detect their prey using their antennae. Number 6. Some species of centipedes exhibit parental care, with the female guarding her eggs and young until they are mature enough to fend for themselves. Number 7. Centipedes are found on every continent except Antarctica and are adapted to a wide range of habitats, from deserts to forests and even caves. Number 8. While most centipedes are not dangerous to humans, some larger species can deliver painful bites that may require medical attention. Number 9. Centipedes are important predators in many ecosystems, and they play a crucial role in controlling insect populations. Number 10. Some species of centipedes are also kept as pets, particularly in Asia, where they are considered to be symbols of good luck and prosperity.